All right, guys, we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Whenever I'm choking up to have a horse square and straight, you can, here, I'll turn it sideways. You can grab your reins, and it doesn't matter what kind of reins you have, and bring all this pressure downward so that he feels everything square and straight up through his head and neck and shoulders. That way, whenever we take a leg on him and bring a leg off of him, he's square through here. The one thing you don't want to have happen is whenever you're working on your spins that the horse points his nose in the wrong direction like this, moving to the left. We want his nose a little tipped inward so that he's looking the direction that we're going so that he tries to get there. Just like that, move him off.